Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add widgets in Google Chrome. First, go to Chrome Web Store and search for Material You New tab. And click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. After the installation is done, just go to Extensions and click on the MYNT and reload the Chrome if necessary. As you can see, we have got different kind of widgets. Here's the weather, here's humidity, and there are many other widgets like Bing, Brave, Google, Duck, Default, etc. We can also edit here and type your name. That's it. You have successfully added widgets in your Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next DelftStack tutorial video.